I think on top of that, Charles, and you've got marketing too, right? Who hit their MQL targets because that's how they're comp too. And I see it a lot in our demand gen program in the incubator. We have senior marketing teams that are forced to look into other markets that sales isn't looking at to hit their MQL targets. Because you might have, if you have a tight overlap between sales and marketing, marketing's not going to be able to keep magically generating MQLs, right? Because you're going to exhaust that market. That doesn't mean that you shouldn't keep advertising in it and that you shouldn't be present, you shouldn't be top of mind in it, but it's because they're trying to get these form fills and get it for as cheap as possible that they are basically forced to hit these MQL targets. And so then they go to these other markets. And that's why you see all this research, I think it's from the B2B Institute even lately, showing that the overlap in targeting between sales and marketing, the Venn diagram barely overlaps in most organizations. And I think, again, it's a symptom
Amazing.
of these totally misaligned incentives.
Yep.
So what would happen, George, in dream state if we agree that the actual measurement should be true market validation and the collection of the data points to define the category? And that would look like finding out who they're with, how they're solving the problem now, what they don't like about it. Do they audit what they're currently getting versus what's out there? How long are they in contract for? What it would take to look at those things. If we could give that to marketing, that off the table. And then we could literally go back to true market validation. The issue that we have is people that have probably come up in the last even 10 years don't know what true market validation is. So if you ask them what market validation means, I guess that their answer will be very different from the three of us on this call. That would be something like, we tested 20 accounts and we got some hypothetical answers and our CEO told us this. And my mum's sister's auntie's dog told me that they'd buy this. It needs to be an evergreen process of what that data collection needs to be, and that needs to be consistent, it needs to be transparent, it needs to be systemized. But that's not what we see.